Helm is an awesome tool. You can use it to easily apply YAML files, spin everything up or tear it down. So let's go ahead and go through moving an application to Helm. I'm assuming you've already set up kubectl, Rancher and Helm. Please check out the video description if you need help with that. Let's verify kubectl is connected to Rancher. Let's use Helm list to see all the releases we have, which are none. For simple projects, I like to keep the Helm directory within the project. So let's do that here. Helm create, Helm. Let's look at what is created. Chart.yaml is a metadata file, name, version, etc. Charts is a folder with dependencies we've installed from externally. Templates, it's our services we have specified, our YAML files. And values.yaml is the constant we use in our templates. Helm created some boilerplate templates that we're not going to use. So let's go ahead and delete them. And also this folder. Let's take a look at the values file. We see some defaults here as well. So let's go ahead and delete that as well. This project has a few Kubernetes files and a deployment script that we won't need after we move to Helm. For the strategy, let's copy one file over at a time, see if we need to make any changes to it, deploy it, verify it's working, and then move over to the next file. Let's start with the persistent volume. Let's take a look at the file. Seems we can keep everything here as is. So now we can do helm install. The name of the release is my and dot. Let's verify it's working. Let's now copy the config map. We then do helm upgrade my and dot. kubectl get config map. It's there. Now let's copy Mongo secret. Helm upgrade my. kubectl get secret. Let's copy Mongo. Helm upgrade. kubectl get pods. Now finally something interesting. Let's copy over the API. Let's take a look at the file. So here we need a registry path and a commit. Let's take a look at our deployment file. So here is defining the registry base path and the commit. So let's copy this here. We need to define these in our values file. So commit can be latest. And the registry based path like this. And now we can edit our API file to use these values. So we find here registry, and here we add .values and the registry based path. And then for the commit we do the same thing here, .values .commit, and then this needs to be in quotes, and we save the file. And now we upgrade Helm, hoping this works. kubectl get pods. It's working. Now we copy the front end. We edit the YAML file. We do the same changes here. .values. We save the file. Helm upgrade. kubectl get pods. Now finally Ingress to see if all of this comes together. Helm upgrade. kubectl get Ingress. Okay, it's working, but we need an Ingress controller. So we have the documentation here. Let's Helm upgrade and install Ingress Nginx. Now we need to make sure we have port forwarding enabled. So let's do that here. Let's now see if this is working end to end. We navigate to localhost 8080. Okay, looking good. New name target, my name. My name is Jakob. Save. My name, Jakob. It's working! That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please let me know if you want to know more about Kubernetes or Helm.